What's going on, guys? Pretty much here. Another day working on this Mercedes. It should be unlocked. No, I think it's locked. We do have like 2 mods we're gonna install. We're gonna be installing some carbon fiber parts on the Mercedes. I think I left it here. Where did I leave it at? Oh, right here. Just a small piece. I bought 2. One for the other side, but the other side doesn't even have these controls. This Mercedes didn't care about the passengers. But you do get your seatings here. So your chest moves forward, backwards. Memory seating. We're just gonna wipe this down with an alcohol wipe. Which I have in here. Clean these buttons up. Wipe it down good. And then we're gonna wipe it down with a dry cloth. That way, this thing will stick. Alright. Let's dry it back up. There we go, get that cleaned out. Alright. Wait a second, and then we're gonna stick it on. Pretty easy, it's just got 3M tape in the back. It will slap on right there. So this is the before. Obviously, we're gonna get some new button stickers for this because, yeah, it's bad. Get new stickers, cover this up, and also for here as well. As they're peeling off, like. So we're gonna get it peeled off. We don't have to peel it off. We can just put it over it, like the overlay sticker on it. There's a few buttons down here that are shedding, like these right here. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that radio though. I can't really, it's not a sticker though, so. Alright, well, we'll see it. Now that it's drying up, make sure it's all completely dried up. We'll remove the sticker. Or not a sticker, I meant the plastic cover thingy. And we can install it here. It's gonna look so nice once we get also these carbon. And then once we get the ambient lighting, I had on my other Mercedes. It's gonna look awesome, guys. Alright, so that's the awkward angle, but we're gonna be removing this part right here. To be fairly, so you guys can tell. Just peel it off. There you go. Make sure you're trying to touch it too much. There you go. Alright, and to stick it, you gotta make sure you stick it good. I'm also gonna make sure I don't stick it too high up here, so it looks good.
Ya, mami, ya, ya.
So this is Bitsy who gave birth.
Oh, que tiene hambre, ya, tiene hambre.
Baby.
Oh, que ya.
Is.
Mami, tiene
She's
hambre.
still giving birth.
Ya, okay, ya. ¿Quieres?
Unfortunately, we did lose one. Yeah, a healthy one.
Tiene que nacer más. Ok, mami, ya. Entonces te he hecho con la condición, siéntate por acá, Brian, para que me ayude, porque Bill se vuelve loco y no me deja, mira.
Okay.
Siéntate acá para que tú tienes...
This is the most beautiful place, okay, I've ever seen.
As you can tell, we got more carbon fiber bits for the Mercedes. We have here for, this is for the trays. It's for the center console, or where the shifter goes. These are the side pieces. I'll show you guys in a second, but yeah, it's pretty fast. We'll install it in a second. Alright guys, continuing with the video. We have more carbon fiber parts we're gonna install on the interior. Hold on, this door feels kind of weird. I don't know. Well, we have here more carbon bits. As you can see, we have here a shifter for that right there. We have more carbon bits. I'll show you guys inside. We just gotta clean it up and then install it. It's gonna look super nice. Show you guys how it looks, but this is the before. So you guys the before and after. Pretty boring, you know, the wood and stuff. And now we'll show you guys the driver's side door. Look at that. Looks way more elegant. Alright, let's get to it, guys. So let me power on the car first. So so it can be warmed up. Okay, there we go. Make sure it's got battery. Haven't turned on in a little bit. Let me do it again. Okay, well, never mind, it's dead. So we're gonna get started here first. I'm doing that before and after picture. So let's get it. All right, guys. So first step's gonna be to clean the surface. As you can see, it's pretty dirty in here. It's got crud everywhere, and also here as well, the sides as well. So I brought a disinfectant wipe to start cleaning out. Make sure we get everything. Including this, because that's where we're gonna be installing the new piece. Alright, and now we're just gonna let it sit there for a second, and we're gonna dry it up. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is remove this one, which is gonna be the centerpiece. Gosh, you couldn't break it. There we go. Showing a little bit. There we go. Alright, so it's got this piece right here. And it's got the surrounding piece right here. I guess it goes like this. Alright, well, let me see how it's gonna look. So this piece should go like this. There you go, like that. Already looks good. Make sure it's actually for the side, not the other one. Yeah, it's pretty. It is for the side, so that's good. Let me remove it. Start sticking it on. Make sure you don't see no wood. And yeah. Alrighty, guys, it's the next day. As you can see, the Mercedes already got the bumper on. Not fully though. As you can tell right here, it would have fit in here. It's just not gonna fit very well in here because we gotta pull it out. I'll show you guys in the other video. But today we're gonna be installing some parts. I'm gonna get the roof blacked out. Here's the interior with carbon bits. Still haven't showed you guys how to install this part. Let me turn this car on because the battery's gonna keep charging. As you can tell, no airbag lights. So the airbag light is out. Let's get a check left turn signal. Okay, we got that. And we just don't have any lights. But take a look at this, guys. We installed this part already in here. What do you guys think? Pretty nice. Turn the air on. That's pretty cool. Then get my butt warmers on. Alright, so now that we have this part installed, we're going to continue on with the other one, which is this one. So you guys for a second. Okay, there you go. We're going to be installing this part right here for this part that goes in here. Should be simple. And then this part as well. So we'll continue moving on. Let me show you. I don't know how this part looks. So it'd be like, I don't know, something like this. I don't want to break it. I gotta put it in tightly there, like that. What do you guys think? Like that, I guess. Okay, good. I just gotta insert the tape, a little bit of tape in there, so it doesn't fly around. Yeah, sorry if the wind's hitting you guys, but yeah. All right. So what do you guys think so far? We got this part installed and this one, looking all carbon. I like it. Pretty good. Next, we're moving on to this part right here. And, I think the sticker's a little off too. You can see peeling off in the AC as well. So good thing I bought stickers that will go with this. So we'll get that installed, and we also got to get this carbon as well. Yeah, it's looking good, looking pretty good, guys. Keep moving on. Now to this piece right here. Alright guys, so here we have most of the stuff, but I don't like one thing, which I'm sure you guys can tell, which is this part right here, which is the wood still on that part right there. You can see the wood there. Probably I'm gonna have to do something about that. But you can still see the wood from here. This is where you push your hand in through. You can still see the wood there, but other than that, it looks so good. What do you think so far? And of course, I still got one piece right here, which I'm still gonna install, which goes right here. And then yeah, see how it looks.
This is a proud 2020 Washington Post top workplace.
All right, guys. So what are you guys thinking right now? How it looks right now? Obviously, this part. So you can tell, you can see some wood there. I'll fix that. I'll add some black tape or something to keep it black, so you can't really see. This I'll still paint black as well, like the chrome part. What do you guys think so far? I know it's missing this part right here, which I'm about to add it, and then we'll see how it looks. So this is full carbon right now. The headrest part and everything. So show you guys how it looks after we install the shifter knob, and we'll do that in a second. For the shifter knob, you pretty much get the shifter knob like this. It literally goes on it, but it still moves around. Like, I'll show you guys. See, it goes like this, like that. But you might still be able to move it around. So you just want to add a little bit of tape just to hold it on, not too much, or else it won't really fit in there. They give you this thin one, as you can see, it's a thin one. Just pretty much put maybe like that much right there, and then yeah, we'll just be able to stick through. And yeah, show you guys once it is completed. But this is how it looks right now. It looks really good. I like it. Show you guys once it's done. Alright guys, what do you guys think of the carbon parts? I took it for a spin. I haven't driven it in a while, so let's get to of course, move the oils and stuff. Of course, I'm driving it with no plates, so I gotta drive back home quickly before a cop sees me. But here it is. It's pretty nice. Look at the black grill. Of course, it needs to shower. And I'm gonna black out the housing and the headlights right there. It's just water, right? Should be just water. Yeah, I think it's just water. And yeah. Alright. Let me turn that radio off before I get copyrighted. Let's put it in drive. Show you guys how it drives. Put both windows down. Get some cool air in. Sunroof works. Very nice. Alright, so we're in drive. We just gotta wait for these little kids to get out of the way. Just driving around. I'm trying to hit none of those little kids. But it definitely needs motor mounts, as you can hear them. You hear it? Let me put the seatbelt on before it makes me put it on. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and put it in sport mode. Which now you see the S for sport. Alright, so now we're in drive. It shifted smoothly. We'll see how it feels. Feel pretty smooth.